So WhatsApp add a new feature or new update is allowing to users to send a video message. In this video, I will show you how to send a video message on your on your WhatsApp account. It's easy and simple, so let's get started. First thing, as you know, at the past few months, WhatsApp add new options, new many updating for his chats or for the chats sections. Now the new option or the new update is allowed to users to send a video message. In the past, to send a video message, we use this camera icon here. We click on the camera icon, then we record the video we want to record. Then, for example, I use video. Then I start recording a video, for example. Then I will send it to someone, as we say. But now the new feature, to get the new feature of WhatsApp, first thing you want to do is go to your Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone, search for WhatsApp like this, then click on install. If you have an install option behind or with your WhatsApp Messenger, click on update and wait until the updating finished. Then go to your WhatsApp again, open your WhatsApp again, your WhatsApp app, open it like this. Then what you're going to do now to send a video message, it's easy and fast. Click on this mic icon. When you click on this mic icon, look, it's changed to a video icon, as you see here. When you click one click like this. Now to record the video, click and hold your finger on this icon like this. Then it will click on this icon like this. For example, I want to send message to this user. I click on the mic icon, one click like this. Then I want to record, for example, the video I want to send. I click long click like this. Sorry, long click. We click long click like this. To move it to the left, you cancel your video. If you want to, for example, click on the send icon like this. Here, click one tab. Then, if you want to see the video, then, as you see, when you let your finger the video, it will send to the user. If you want to delete it, click on it like this, long click, then remove it, as you see here. Now the video is removed. So this is the new feature or the new update to how send a video clip or a video message on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.